yung 30th anniversary, saan kukunin? Hindi nyo pa sinasagot.
30th anniversary
Yung
po,
gastos nila sa 30th anniversary.
kasama po siya dapat sa COB 2025. But,
Saan nga kukunin doon sa pondo na yon?
Anniversary, the board approved the 323 for the stamp.
Saan nga kukunin doon?
323,000.
Doon kukunin sa inyong working budget itong
Okay.
gastos sa anniversary. Doon kukunin.
Mr. Chair, as discussed kagabi sa House, the 323,000 galing sa 2024 extended validity. Yun muna yung in-approve po ng management and ng board.
Magkano yung expected, bigyan ko kayo ng chance naman to explain. Magkano yung expected or projected niyo ng gasto sa anniversary ninyo? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, the initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary? 130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito. Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay again proposal pa lang
Proposal.
siya.
Kaya nga,
Pag
kung matutuloy
na-approve siya
ito,
ng
saan
board,
kukunin?
Ay kukunin siya sa corporate operating budget sa
So part
admin,
pa rin ng working
team
budget
OOH.
ninyo.
Yes po.
Ilang pasyente ang matutulungan yan? Yan, ang pinapakompute ko sa inyo.
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138 million. Siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman hindi biyahe. Siguro naman hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
Ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yan ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending.
So ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
Projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposals,
Proposal.
but
Pero
with this,
hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention? A proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na ito. Who's the smart person who gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino yung grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress, you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Madam.
Sino po ang brilliant na nagbigay nito?
We have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by Sir Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Yes. Can that person, please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the Finance Committee of the Health Committee on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
We will submit, Your Honor. We will submit it within the day to Congress. No?
A sports meet
2 years to the
for
Senate.
32 million and a gala night with PROs, I hope it's not GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. We don't, and umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas.
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am,
if I
to
may lang
simplify
po,
the
no?
discussion,
Okay.
all of those.
Kaya nga, projected o plano niyo lang po, kaya ang tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
Yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.